What's up, y'all? It's Taylor and welcome to my channel. Yeah. Okay, hey, it's Taylor and welcome to my channel. If you already know who I am, welcome back. I just decided to drop by and do a quick little sunset tutorial for you guys, and I hope that you like it. Feel free to let me know by leaving a comment down below. Also, feel free to subscribe because, you know, how else are you supposed to see other content from me if you don't subscribe? I mean, it's free anyway, so that's all the talking I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna jump right into the tutorial. I can't say that word, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows and I've primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion and Caffeine. I'm just going to start the eye look, so let's do that. So for the most part, I'm using the Morphe 35M palette. I'm gonna dip into more of the brown side for this look, and I'm picking up a shade called Peachy Keen. I'm gonna blend that into my crease. And I'm going to blend it out with a shade called Play It Cool. It's another brown shade. With that shade Play It Cool, I just ran it along the outer edge of that darker shadow shade. And then we're going to start building up our colors. I'm going to take this red shade called Red Carpet from the same palette and just start blending that into my crease as well. I'm also going to pack that red shade into the far outer corner. Something like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And to do that, I'm just going to use some concealer. I'm just going to use some concealer to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Morphe 350 palette and I'm going to pick up a lighter orange shade. My 350 is very loved. So please excuse its appearance. I'm going to take that orange there and put it on the inner half of the eyelid. And just kind of stamp that on. And then I'm going to take a deeper orange. This one is called Fired Up from the 35M palette. Really good. And lastly, I'm going to take that red shade and put that on the very outer part. And I thought I didn't want any yellow, but I am going to put something here. Okay. So now I'm going to dive into the Juvia's Place palette and stick that on my eyelid. And I'm just using the Nubian palette. which I got mine when Juvia's Place like first came out. That's so, excuse that appearance as well. I'm just gonna use the same brush that I was using and some setting spray as well. But I'm just gonna stick this on top of that eyelid. I'm just gonna take this brush here and blend this line. And I'm gonna pick up a shade called Vampy Vixen. It's like a deep red shade. I'm gonna use that. It's kind of like a reddish brown. And I'm gonna stick that into my outer corner. I think I'm gonna leave that as is. Yes, and then I'm gonna take that brush that we were using earlier with our transition shades on it and just blend everything out. That looks fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll come back when I'm all finished. I think I'm also going to do my face makeup as well, just to speed the process along a little bit. And then I'll come back with like highlight and lips and all that great stuff. Okay, so this eye is almost fully done. I'm going to finish up this one and I'll show you guys how I did it. So I have this It Cosmetics brush here, and it's one of those double-ended ones. It came in a travel pack that I got for Christmas. And I'm just gonna take that red carpet shade and I like to drag it down pretty low. Pretty dramatic. And then I'm going to take a brown shade from this palette. The one that I'm using is called Sparks Fly. And I'm going to do the same thing to this eye here. And I'm just going to take that fluffier brush that I was using and I'm just going to blend out this section here. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some glue on the lash that I'm using. This is the Eyelure 126 lash. And while that is drying down a little bit, I'm gonna do my waterline. I'm gonna take this black NYX eye pencil and just it's gonna look a little crazy at first. And then I'm gonna take that brush that we used to apply the brown and the red and just smoke it out. To make sure that everything is super well blended and seamless, I'm gonna go back in with that shade Red Carpet and put that underneath that all. Okay, so that should be done. Our lash should be dry. The lash, we're going to push down on my lashes and apply the lash. And I just use my nails to apply everything else. And where my nails really can't get in, I use the tweezers. Push it in further. So that looks really good. I'm gonna zoom us out. Okay, so taking my favorite shade, Club Hopper, I'm just gonna line everything. I have this other NYX shade. It's called Tools. Yeah, it's called Tools, I guess. And it's like this really light almost white shade. It gives me like this frosty deal. I like this. I like this. On top of everything, I'm just gonna take this Becca lip gloss. It's from the Becca and Chrissy Teigen collab, and I've never used this before. Just gonna apply that all over the lips. There we go. I think we like that. So now it's time for highlighter, and I'm gonna take this Stila highlighter in the shade Brilliance. It's the Heaven's Hue highlighter. You know, the little like putty one, and it's very vibrant. It's very bright. It's very vibrant, and I'm just gonna take it and apply it to my nose. Whoa. Get my brow bone. Just want to make sure everything's blended. And then I'm gonna take this Morphe M501 and just drag it across. I like these like one size fits all type highlighters. Look at that. Big lip problem. Put a little bit on my forehead. And then spray everything down with some setting spray. My fave right now is the Pixie setting spray. Alright guys, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you guys like this look that I put together. It's a little bit more wearable than the purple look that I put up on the last tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know with a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.